Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling in Windows 11. So I'll show you a complete process of how you can do it. First of all, go into the search section and just open the settings. Otherwise, you can just search here settings and you just need to go into the settings. And once you're inside the settings, so from the left side, you just need to go to the second option, which is called system. And inside the system, you will see multiple options. So just go into the first option, which is display, and inside the display into the related settings section you will see these settings like advanced display graphics and position of screen indicators. So just open the second one, which is called graphics, and inside the graphics you will see into the default settings, just click on this option, which is advanced graphic settings. And once you click here, you will see this option hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So make sure to turn it off from here. Otherwise, there is a possibility that you might see directly this option into this setting. So you don't need to click into advanced graphic settings. But in my case, it is present here. So just make sure to turn it off. After that, you must restart your PC or laptop and that will be turned off. So that's a simple and easy process of how you can do it.